The women love you when you get out there.
Why is that, ladies?
Well, I'm asking you.
Huh? Because I look good.
What do you think that is? You
I
look
smell good. I
Yeah.
feel
Away
good.
from me, away from me. Oh, don't you know? Away from me, away from me. Oh, don't you know?
Pimp, limp, it ain't a gimp. Iceberg slim, on a scale of 1 to 10. Exotic gems and mama raised a G. My hairline precision is the key. The topic of discussion during tea. I spell it with a V because my victory's voluptuous. The way I structure this thought was never taught. It's nothing though. From here to Buffalo to Detroit to Santa Monica. My Monica smooth, long fur with the harmonica. We listening to Monica, remind me of that Onyx story. Oh, Veronica, I needed me a pretty bitch. A red bone like on some P. Diddy shit. The high sedittiness, we keep the city lit. Without the penny pinch, a potent stench. New niggas play the bench, I pay the rent. Main event, was living in sin, but I had thoughts to win. I did that at 21 when I copped the Benz with gift wrap. This is pimpin', she should be cooking me chicken. This is flippin', the crack with the water whippin', Henny sippin', Sergio Tacchini sauce, gator boots, the money to the roof, the liquor 80 proof, Jerome with the gold tooth, gold hoops, exotic fruits, oh cool, a lot of juice. I got a soft spot for Ebony, destiny, I'm guessing it's the recipe.
Well, I'm asking you.
Huh? Because
What
I
do you
look
think
good.
that is?
We brought the flyness back to the hood. See every pack, we divided that. The hillside admired that. Respect, I acquired that. The pimp hats and Cadillacs, big gats and money stacks to feed my hungry ass.
Away from me, away from me. Oh, don't you know?
Past the remote hoe, they couldn't go toe to toe. A blow for blow, I get the kid coke by the boatload. And all my niggas know, they call me up, we ball out. The VIP section going all out. They see me on the come up, and I won't ever fall down. 100 deep on the street, in front of your house, while you beating your meat. On a sectional couch, can never be me. I'm probably in the cut, watching TV. My bitch bubble butt look delicious. A kitty cat with no whiskers, bad one, they wonder why. I never post pictures, tatted scriptures, vegetarian. The type to get a horse ride and chariot, no matter where she is.